Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on graphs and their transformation. In this video, I have this weird little parent graph that I am going to transform actually 4 times. You can only see the first 2 so far. In this first one, I want to make both the x and the y values negative, but to do that, it would help if I could see the ordered pairs that make up this graph. So I'm going to start off by writing out all of the values. So -6, -8, -2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 6, and 6, -2. And once I have that, this flips the y values. This flips the x values. What's going to end up What's going to end up happening is the graph will flip over both the x and y axes. So -6, -8 becomes +6, +8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -2, 0 becomes 2, 0. 0, 2 becomes 0, -2. 2, 0 becomes -2, 0. 4, 6 becomes -4, -6. And 6, -2 becomes -6, +2. Oof, lots of negatives, lots of positives. And there you go. You can see that everything shifted. It flipped over the y and the x axes to become a new graph. In our second transformation, and this one's very interesting, this was a rigid transformation. Things flipped, but the overall shape didn't change. This one says that the y values are times by 1/2, which means things are going to change. So instead of -6, -8, it's going to be -6, -4. Instead of -2, 0, it's going to be -2, 0. Instead of 0, 2, it's going to be 0, 1. Instead of 0, 2, 0, it'll be 2, 0. Instead of 4, 6, it's going to be 4, 3. Instead of 6, -2, it's going to be 6, -1. So what happened was, it's like somebody took this graph and squished it down. This is not a rigid transformation. Rigid transformations mean the graph doesn't change. Quite the contrary, this graph changed. It got squished. It's 1/2 the height. In our next graph, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here, and because we need to know the points, I'm going to come right here and list off the points that I've been doing. So -6, -8, -2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 6, and 6, -2. Those are the 6 points that I've been using in this graph. In our next graph, it says 1/2 x. So in the last one, we took our y values and cut them in half. In this one, we're going to cut the x values in half. So we're going to go -3, -8, -1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 6, and 3, -2. So I just cut these all in half. -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This one looks funny. Looks like someone squished it, squeezed it. The walls are closing in. So here is the x values cut in half. Here is the y values cut in half. In our last graph, this one, it says 1/2 f of x. So this is again the y values cut in half. And this is our first step. And then after that, we add 5 to the y values, plus 5 to y values. And this is a moving up. So because I need to scooch, how far up do I need to go? Is that going to be good enough? That might be good enough. Okay, so this was -6, -4, and this is -2, 0. This is 0, 1, and this is 2, 0, and this is 4, 3, and this is 6, -1. And we need to add, since we have the points, we may as well use them, make our life simpler, right? Anytime we can utilize something we've already done, why not? And then we need to add 5 to our y values. So our -6, 5, we're adding 5 to the -4. This is going to become -6, 1. -2, 0, we're adding 5 to the y value. This is going to become -2, 5. We're adding 5 to our y value. Our 0, 1 is going to become 0, 6. Adding 5 to the y value, the 2, 0 is going to become 2, 5. Adding 5 to the y value, our 4, 3 is going to become 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And adding 5 to our y value, our -1 is going to become 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this wasn't rigid. This was very much not rigid, but the plus 5 was a rigid change to this because it just slid it up the coordinate plane. Ooh, that should have been here. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.